Thank you for joining me for today's cleaning motivation video. We're just going to jump right into it. I'm starting off by tidying up the master bedroom, disinfecting pillows, and I'm going to make up the bed. Then we're going to move to cleaning the floors downstairs. We're going to vacuum and we're going to mop, and then we're going to clean our vacuum as well. So I hope this gives you the daily dose of motivation that you need.